Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Monday, the 15th of July 2024, and this is a special video highlighting why gold and silver could be an excellent investment for 24, 25, and for the rest of the decade. If you're new to precious metals, we hope you'll find this invaluable, and if you are a veteran, at least it might remind you as to why precious metal investment still makes sense. Now, before we go into this video, we have already seen gold and silver, but gold particularly, prices rise today, as we predicted in our weekend update. If you haven't watched that, we recommend that you do so, and there is a link in the description box below. So let's start this video, and please let us know what you think of it, and if you would like more videos similar to this in the future. Today we're diving into why gold and silver are looking like hot investments for 2024 and 2025. So grab your favorite note-taking tool and let's get into it. Gold and silver have long been considered safe haven investments, especially during times of economic uncertainty. In recent years, the global economy has faced numerous challenges, from trade wars to political instability to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, many investors have turned to precious metals as a way to protect their wealth and hedge against inflation. After all, inflation in recent years has been eating away at the purchasing power of our money. Unlike fiat currencies, gold and silver tend to hold their value even when inflation spikes. So by investing in these precious metals, you're essentially protecting your wealth. One of the main reasons why gold and silver may be good investments for 24 and 25 is their historical track record of preserving that wealth. Unlike paper or fiat currencies, which can be devalued by central banks printing more money, precious metals have intrinsic value that has stood the test of time. This makes them a reliable store of value, especially in times of economic turmoil. Think of them as a financial safety net. Another factor that makes gold and silver attractive investments is their limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed endlessly, precious metals are finite resources that must be mined from the earth. This scarcity helps to maintain their value over the long term, making them a solid investment choice for those looking to protect their wealth. In addition to their store of value, gold and silver also have industrial uses that can drive demand for these metals. Gold, for example, is used in electronics, jewelry, and dentistry, while silver is used in a wide range of industrial applications, from solar panels to medical devices. Mining output has been relatively stagnant, while industrial and technological demand for silver in particular is increasing. With the push towards renewable energy and electric vehicles, silver's industrial applications are beginning to skyrocket. Less supply, more demand. You do the maths. This dual demand for precious metals as both investments and industrial commodities can help to support their prices in future years. Furthermore, the current macroeconomic environment is also supportive of higher gold and silver prices. With interest rates likely to fall soon, and central banks around the world engaging in unprecedented levels of monetary stimulus, many investors are still concerned about persistent inflation and currency devaluation. In this environment, precious metals can serve as a hedge against these risks, providing a safe haven. Many central banks around the world have been increasing their gold reserves. It's a strong signal that they see value in holding gold. If central banks are buying, maybe it's something to consider for your portfolio too. Geopolitical tensions and global uncertainties are also driving demand for gold and silver. With ongoing conflicts in the Middle East, trade disputes between major economies, and the rise of populist movements around the world, many investors are seeking safe assets that can weather the storm of political instability. Gold and silver have a long history of being seen as safe haven assets during times of crisis, making them an attractive choice for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. So let's not forget about diversification, or as we in the UK say, diversification. Having a diverse investment portfolio can help spread risk. Precious metals can act as a hedge against market downturns, giving your investments some much needed stability. And here's a fun fact for you. Gold and silver aren't just coins and bars. You can also invest in them through ETFs, mining stocks, and mutual funds. This makes it easier than ever to get a piece of the action without needing a vault in your basement. Though markets too have risen recently. When uncertainty rises, investors flock to these metals, driving up their prices. It's a classic better safe than sorry approach. So, to sum it up, economic uncertainty, inflation, supply and demand, central bank activity, diversification, and geopolitical tensions are all signals that gold and silver could be wise investments for 2024 and 2025. Remember though, no investment is without risk. So in conclusion, gold and silver may be very good investments for the years ahead due to their historical track record of preserving wealth, limited supply, industrial uses, supportive macroeconomic environment, and safe haven status. For investors looking to protect their wealth and hedge against inflation, precious metals can offer a reliable and time-tested option for diversifying their portfolios. A word of caution, however. Do your own research and consider speaking with a financial advisor before making any big moves. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell sign. Don't forget to do this so that YouTube will notify you of more financial insights when they are published. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget those comments, and we look forward to joining you again very soon.